If you have been watching AI explode online, you have probably asked the same question as everyone else. Can you actually make money with this? Not in theory, not with fake screenshots, not with overnight millionaire promises. But realistically, what can a normal person actually earn using AI in 1 month? Because right now, AI side hustles are everywhere. AI writing, AI design, AI automation, AI customer support, AI content creation. But most people still do not know what is real, what is scalable, and what actually pays. So today, we are breaking down practical AI side hustles, what the workflows look like, how people monetize them, and what a realistic month can look like when you use AI the right way. This is not about becoming rich overnight. This is about building leverage. The biggest misunderstanding about AI side hustles is that people think AI does the business for you. It does not. AI removes friction. That means less writing time, less editing time, less repetitive work, and faster production. The people making money with AI are usually not AI experts. They are people who learned how to combine AI tools, distribution, and simple business models. That is the real opportunity. Because once production becomes faster, small one-person businesses suddenly become more scalable. And that changes the economics completely. Let's start with the most visible AI side hustle, content creation. This includes YouTube channels, TikTok videos, Instagram content, short-form clips, faceless channels, and AI-assisted editing. Right now, this is one of the fastest-growing AI business categories online. Why? Because AI dramatically reduces production time. ChatGPT can help generate scripts, 11 Labs can handle voiceovers, and AI video tools can speed up editing and production workflows. ChatGPT Agent can also help with research, file handling, form filling, spreadsheets, and connected data sources, which makes content planning and production much easier. That means one person can now create content at the speed of a small media team. Now let's talk realistically. In the beginning, a new creator may earn almost nothing. That is normal. But once traffic starts building, the income sources begin stacking. Ad revenue, affiliate links, digital products, sponsorships. AI lowers the barrier to entry. It does not guarantee success, but it allows creators to produce much more content with less time and less cost. So if you can build a repeatable system, content becomes a real side hustle instead of just a hobby. The second side hustle is AI customer support setup. This is becoming a major opportunity for freelancers and small agencies. Businesses are overwhelmed with support tickets, repetitive questions, and slow response times. Most small businesses still do not have proper automation systems. That is where AI workflows come in. A freelancer can help businesses set up AI chat support, build automated email responses, connect support tools, and improve customer response speed. And the interesting part is this: you do not necessarily need to code. A lot of these systems are now no-code or low-code. ChatGPT can help draft responses, summarize support issues, and work with connected tools. Zapier can connect AI to thousands of apps. Make can orchestrate more advanced no-code workflows. Now, what does that mean for income? It means you can offer a service that solves a real business problem, not just AI help, a real outcome. Faster replies, less manual work, better customer experience, less time wasted by the team. That is what people pay for. And the best part is that this can often start as a simple one-time setup, then grow into a monthly support retainer. The third one is AI workflow automation. This is one of the most scalable AI side hustles right now. Businesses waste huge amounts of time on repetitive admin work, copying data, moving information between apps, manual follow-ups, lead tracking, spreadsheet updates. Automation tools can reduce a lot of that friction. And this creates an opportunity. Someone who understands workflows can help businesses automate repetitive operations. For example, lead forms automatically entering CRMs, automatic email follow-ups, AI-generated reports, content pipelines, task automation systems. This is where tools like Zapier and Make become powerful. Zapier says its platform includes AI workflows, AI agents, chatbots, while Make lets you visually build and scale AI workflows across 3,000 plus apps. And because businesses are already paying employees to do repetitive work manually, automation often saves enough time to justify paying for the setup. That is why this side hustle has strong long-term potential. Another growing category is AI-assisted writing. Now, this does not mean pressing one button and becoming an author, but AI can massively speed up research, drafting, editing, rewriting, and idea generation. This creates opportunities for blog writing, email copywriting, product descriptions, SEO content, and research assistance. Businesses still need written content constantly, and people who know how to combine AI speed with human editing can produce work much faster than before. That means higher output potential, and in freelancing, higher output often means higher income capacity. Here is the simple part most people care about. How do you actually make money? Usually there are a few simple paths. You can sell a service, you can set up a workflow for a business, you can manage content for a client, you can create templates or systems. You can charge for setup, then charge monthly to maintain it. That is the real pattern. The first month is usually about landing the first paying client, building proof, and getting a repeatable process. The best part is that once you solve one problem well, you can reuse the same structure for the next client. That is how side hustles become systems. And systems are what scale. Now to the question everyone is asking, what can you earn in a month? The honest answer is, it depends on three things: your skill, your offer, and how well you can find people who need the solution. Some people use AI to save time but never monetize it. Others turn one workflow into a paid service, then build from there. So in practical terms, the first month is usually about getting traction, not perfection. The goal is not to become an AI millionaire in 30 days. The goal is to build a service or workflow that people will pay for again. That is where real income starts. So the real lesson is simple. AI side hustles are not magic, they are leverage. The money comes from solving real problems faster than before. If you can use AI to produce content, automate workflows, support businesses, or speed up writing, you have the foundation for a real side hustle. Not hype, not theory, a real one. If you found this helpful, comment below and tell me which AI side hustle interests you most. And in the next video, we can break down which AI side hustles are easiest to start, which ones scale the fastest, and which tools are actually worth paying for in 2026. Make sure to subscribe to the American Pulse for more AI workflows, business systems, and real-world money strategies.